So we are in Pahalgam. और आज मैं आपको एक ऐसे स्टे के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ which is one of our best stay in Kashmir. I am sure you're gonna love this place. The view from the window, the coziness of the room, the wooden walls, the comfortable bed and the embroidery in the curtains. Everything was so beautiful and clean. We'll also let you know about the meals which is included in our booking. So without further ado, let's start today's video. So this is our hotel, Hotel Bombay Palace. होटल में एंटर करके स्टेयर्स चढ़ के ऊपर जाते हैं एंड फिर आपको रूम दिखाते हैं. As you enter the room, that's our luggage और कुछ ऐसा दिखता है रूम हमारा. And you are getting this big sized bed with a comfortable mattress given, which is also provided with an electric blanket which keeps you warm all the night. You are also getting a TV to entertain yourself while you are in the room. And there is this beautiful wardrobe with an attached mirror on it. And there is this electric heater which is a must when you are visiting in winters. And then there is this cozy place where you can sit for long and enjoy your coffee or tea. So everything from ceiling, walls and flooring are made in wooden, which helps you to cope up with the cold weather. And here in this table, they have kept their menu card so that you can order something if you want. And now let's check out the view from the window. See how beautiful everything is looking. And this is the hotel's big lawn area. So let's check out the washroom now. So this is the washroom. The washroom was quite spacious and provided with all the important amenities. And the main thing is the washroom and the room were beautifully maintained and cleaned. So in the washroom, you are also getting this big sized basin and a mirror. And there was both hot and cold water available. And now let's talk about the meals which are included in our booking. जो meals हमें provided थे वो buffet में थे. एंड ऐसा नहीं था कि हमें ठंडा खाना मिल रहा था. खाना एकदम गर्मा गर्म था एंड खाने में वेज एंड नॉन वेज दोनों में अलग अलग वैरायटीज थी. एंड मील्स में हमारे ब्रेकफास्ट एंड डिनर दोनों इंक्लूड थे. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टैरिफ नाउ. सो ये ब्यूटीफुल सा रूम विद अ ऑसम व्यू फ्रॉम द विंडो with a heater in the room and both the meals costed us 3,000 Indian rupees per day, which is an awesome deal for such a place. So, जो lawn मैंने आपको दिखाया था, you guys can enjoy snowfall here as I am enjoying now. If by any luck you get to experience snowfall here, क्योंकि पहलगाम स्नोफॉल में और ज्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है. पहलगाम को मैंने काफी अंडर एस्टिमेट किया था, बट पहलगाम इज वे मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. हमने पहलगाम में बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय किया, बहुत जगह एक्सप्लोर किए एंड बहुत सारे सीनिक प्लेसेस को कैप्चर किया which you will get to see on my next video. The next video is gonna be a beautiful one. So do check my next video to know more about Pahelgam. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and the stay. If you did, please do like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Pahelgam sightseeing का next video जल्द आने वाला है. Till then, be safe, be protected and happy traveling.